Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you'll be able to create a passive income type of business online even if you have zero knowledge and even if you don't know how to start. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step, so make sure to follow along until the end of the video.
First things first, we're gonna go here on Etsy and we want to look into digital planners because it's gonna be the beginning of the school year, and we know that everyone, not only students but also parents and people like you and me, even with no kids, we like to go back on track. So it's really useful to have a planner and to try to set our goals for the day or the week or the month and just hit your goals. That's what we all want, whatever the goal is. So having a digital planner is super useful, and this is why they're very popular. So we're going to use Etsy here. So if you go to etsy.com, I'm based in Canada, so the prices are going to be in Canadian dollars. But here I just typed digital planners, and this is where I can find some ideas what sells the most. You know, um, we can see regular digital planners are selling a lot, premium digital planners. So what we can do, we can to do a little bit of research. We'll go to our friend ChatGPT, because we need to use AI. We need to use AI that is so popular right now to create businesses and make money online. So why not do it here? Because we're trying to make money online. We're trying to make some passive income online. So we're going to use ChatGPT and the AI technology to help us out and create that business with us. So what I did type, I typed best niches for digital planners. So I made a little mistake here, it doesn't matter. And ChatGPT came up with the best niches. And as we already know, it's all about productivity and time management. So that's one of them. Then you have health and wellness, student and education. Of course, this is going to be the beginning of the year, school year, finance and budgeting, business and entrepreneurship, creativity and art, travel and adventure, because yeah, that as well is a great niche. A lot of people are traveling and they want to have a goal on what they're doing every day. So having a planner can help them to just stay focused on what they're here for. If they travel to a place to do those activities and visit those famous places, then a digital planner makes sense for them. Parenting and family, self-care and personal development, because obviously we cannot forget about our self-care and taking care of ourselves when we're so busy in this world, you know. So that's important. Wedding and event planning. Wedding is always going to be popular. A wedding needs to be well planned. A digital planner makes sense for that, 100%. Language learning, maybe you have a goal, you're learning a language, why not, you know. And hobbies and interests, so that could be anything and everything. Let's say you're starting a new hobby, and you want to learn to do this or that, you know, you have a set goal for whatever hobby you're deciding to go for. um, Cooking, photography, DIY, whatever it is. And it's good to have a planner, because that way that keeps you accountable and you're not going to just give up. So for this example, we're going to take health and wellness, because I feel like this is always popular. It doesn't even have to be the beginning of the school year, but here in our case, it is the beginning of the school year starting. So a lot of parents or people like you and me, um, even if you're not a parent, um, we want to get back on track. This was like, it's almost the end of summer, so summer we cannot let go, do whatever we want, we drink, we eat whatever we want. It doesn't have to be always healthy, so we cannot use the month of September to get back on track. So we're taking health and wellness here. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to go back to Etsy, and I actually did already, that's more research, but I'm going to put fitness, digital. So you want to research about the niche you chose. So for me, I'm putting fitness digital planner. For you, it could be cooking digital planner, travel and hobby digital planner, or whatever else it is, ADHD, who knows, like you have so many topics you can choose from. We're just looking at the best niches for digital planners here. So here we have the fitness digital planner niche, and here we have our examples. So those are the best those are really good sellers. I mean, 26,800 fitness planners sold at $9.64 Canadian dollar. So if we do a little calculation here, we can do 9.64 times 26,800. That's $258,352 Canadian dollars for a digital fitness planner. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we just want to see what it is. So you have a multitude of templates to choose from, 600 plus pages, 45 plus covers. So they're selling all types of digital planners. As you can see here, that those are examples. Weekly meal and shopping planner. So you can choose whichever you want, and you'll get fitness journal, weight loss tracker, updated iPad workout planner, wellness template. Okay, so this one gets 5 stars all the time. You have reviews for the item. You can see they're all like, most of them 5 stars. If we go to the second page, yeah, 5 stars. Awesome journal planner. So yeah, it's got good reviews. It's just instant downloads. What can we learn about this item? So just check, whatever they sell. Digital planner features, hyperlinked pages, go from planning your monthly fitness regime, plan and track, updated planners, 20 different templates. So this one has a ton of templates. It's pretty high end in a way, because you have a lot of pages and a lot of templates. But okay, let's say you want to create maybe like a simpler one. Maybe you don't want 700 pages, or you don't want to put hyperlinks and everything. You don't have to, but you could like put some affiliate links too if you wanted to, and start making money. So here we have an example. It sells for $9.64. You can sell yours for a little bit cheaper if it is simpler. You don't have to put something that expensive. So once we're there, we're gonna go to Canva. So here we're gonna find a template on Canva. So when you're in Canva Fitness Planner, I'm looking at this one that looks really good, because we have the workouts, the daily nutrition, the goals of the day, the water intake, the mood. Everything looks pretty good. So we're gonna customize this template. So you'll just go here. You can tweak it if you want, and put another one, use another template right here on the side. But I like this one because it shows your workouts, your goals of the day, as well as your nutrition, which I think, and plus you have a I'm grateful for line, which is important for the mindset. So here you put the date. It's a daily fitness planner, and the date and the day of the month. So you could literally just add some pages. It is a daily planner, so you could add 31 pages. You could add 31 pages, or you can just like put 365 pages for the entire year, so people can keep the same planner and go through the entire year, or you can just put 31 pages, so you can go through the entire month and just keep it for the full month, and then you can save it, then create it, like maybe copy for the pages for another month, if they can do that. I'm not too sure if you can do that. That would be something we need to look into if I want to do that. But you could literally just copy 365 pages, one per day, so you have your yearly planner, or you can just do a monthly planner if you want to. So this one looks good. So let's say I want to keep that one. It's all good. Don't want to change anything. You could, if you wanted to change the color, whatever, you just click on it, and here on the side you have the background color that you can change to something else if you want, but I think it's okay like that. It's plain and it's nice. I mean, it doesn't have to be any more complicated than this. It is a planner. It has to be simple, easy to read. This is good. Easy to feel. This is really good. So once you're happy with that one, if you don't want to change the name or anything like that, you just go on share here, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to download here, and you'll want to make sure you go to PDF print. So this is the one you want. You will download, and done. It's downloaded. Now you have it. So once you have that, okay, so this is how it looks like. So here they'll be able to print it, and or just use it online if they want to. Okay, so here we have our planner ready to go. If you wanted to as well, you could go here on ChatGPT and ask for some ideas. So here you can ask to create a digital fitness planner with a timetable involving a planner to involve structuring your planner to help users track their workout, meal plans, and progress. So ChatGPT can give you ideas, and you can create your own planner from scratch with those ideas. You can ask it to tweak it. Here, like ChatGPT just made sure that the workout schedule was showing here. The meals were showing, which is exactly what we have on the Canva template. So we can literally keep the Canva template because it's got that. But you could ask ChatGPT to make it your own. That is possible as well. So you can literally just use AI to create your planner. So once you are happy with your template, so we're happy with our template on Canva that was created in 5 minutes, then you want to create, like that image you see here. This is the listing image, and this is how you will present your planner on Etsy. You're not going to show this page. This page. Let's get rid of that one. You're not going to show this page on Etsy right here. You want something pretty, right? So then you go back on Canva. So we're going to go back on Canva here. Close this one. And we'll just tap listing image. So here we have some listing images, and we're just gonna pick one that we think is gonna be appropriate for our digital planner. So here, let's say we want to use this one as our listing image. So we're gonna keep that. Actually, I'm gonna take that one just because it looks a little bit better. So you go to customize templates. And here, what we'll do, we'll just change this. So we will remove everything here. So let me just make it a little bit bigger here so I can work on it. So here you go. So with this, I want to remove all that because I don't need it. So here, delete. Now this here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna post my tracker, and I'm gonna put the daily fitness planner that I downloaded earlier. So you just can put that one right here. And here you're just gonna change the title and you'll put daily fitness planner. Here we have it. You can change that, make it a little nicer. And here looks good. So once you've done that one, this is your listing image. So you'll want to go here and you'll make sure you download as an image. So go here, JPEG or PNG. I'll put it as JPEG. Here we go. And this is your listing image. So that's how it's going to be presented here on Etsy. You know, just a little bit nicer than just the plain tracker. So then what you need to do, so as we can see here, if we click here, there's a description right here. So what you can do, you can ask ChatGPT to write a description for you. What you can do, you can just go here and just type, write me a description for my Etsy store and this daily fitness planner. And here you should have your ChatGPT AI creating that description for you. So here you can use that description, you can change it, but if you have literally no idea, just do that. Create a description with it. It's going to be pretty good, and you can always change what you need to change yourself if you want to. So here it is what it is, and after that you just need to put it on Etsy. Make sure you create a nice planner with a good description, a good price. Think about it. It didn't cost you anything to create that, so just put it at a good price point, like $2 here. Maybe put yours at $1.50 and start from there. It's completely passive. You don't have to do anything. See, $1.70 for this one, and that's a plain planner. So just go with a low price, start making sales, and once you get to create a few products like that, you'll get better and better, and you'll make more and more money over time.
Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here. And I'll see you on the next video for another way of making money online.